Hello my friend, and how are you? My guest for today is Nastya. She's really cute and beautiful girl, and today I will try to make a cute and beautiful haircut for her. It will be a wolf cut or a shag haircut, and I don't sure in the difference in these names of haircut, and if you know the difference, please write in a comment. Thank you. And let's see what happened with haircut. It is simple here. I separate the hair in the central pattern and from ear to the ear. And well done. The bangs. It's most important strand of the haircut. We separate triangle of the bangs and try to make it straight. If it turns out crooked, as I did, it's not a big deal. Just fix it. Well done. Now we are ready for the cut. I direct the strand to the central and cut. And when I cut, I try to repeat the pattern. The length I choose a little to spare. My reference point is bridge of the nose. And later, if I want, I can make the bangs shorter. Well done. It is simple here. I take the next strand, pull to the bangs, find the bangs, and cut. You should be careful with the scissors, because scissors is a predator animal, and this animal always wanna bite your finger. You should keep your concentration, or else will happen. I saved my life, and now I continue the haircut from the other side, where life is better, as you know. Here I repeat everything I did on the left side. Please note this angle. It's make a soft edge. Softness is the main idea of this haircut. This is why people with this haircut look so cozy. Well done. It is simple here. We choose a diagonal zone. Please note that I use a ear as a hair holder. And if you ever wondered why evolution make our ears this shape, it is for this purpose. I use the slicing technique to connect short and the long strands. Please note I make a small movement of the scissors, open and close, and it's better for hair quality than just sliding. If you have question why, watch this. Moving on the second side, and now we just should repeat. Don't worry if it turns out little unsymmetrical, because our faces is too not perfectly symmetrical. And if you have a perfectly symmetrical face, then you are a robot. But if you are people, please show me your unsymmetrical smile. Well done. It is simple here again. Pull the hair up, find the shortest strand and draw the line from it. Don't forget to show off with your scissors and the comb. Look. Wow, let's look it in slow-mo. Every show off, it's plus $5 to the final price, so well done. Touch hair with your fingers until it's 70% dry. Well done. I joked, of course, I use a blow dry. Well done. Now I rub hair and dry. Let's see what comes out of it. Nothing good. So I use the magic of video editing to make a cool hairstyle. It was really good to see you, my dear friend. My hugs to everyone. Well done. And see you soon. Give you boom.